Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. Before that, I will teach you how to download the Visual Studio Code. So go to your web browser and type down Visual Studio Code download in your search address bar and simply search for it. Then tap on the first option available. Then there you will get to see many options available for different computers, and you can just simply tap on the downloads and it will be downloaded on your device. Now going to the Visual Studio Code, all you have to do is tap on the new file option. After you tap on the new file, you will get to see you will have to name the file. I am just naming project for now. Now you can download it or create a file, and inside the newly opened folder you can start creating your project files. These files may include source code files, configuration files, documentation, and any other assets needed to your project. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.